Welcome to the first video of creating an Angular application. We will start building an application by using one of the Angular features that's called Angular CLI. So if you look into features, then scroll down a little bit, Angular CLI, and it says command line tools. Start building fast, add components and tests, then instantly deploy. So what is Angular CLI does, it gives you a command line tool to create Angular application or create modules or components inside this application. Uh, the first step we need to do is to install that CLI so we could use it. So let's open our terminal and write npm install -g, what means global Angular CLI, and run. It's gonna take some time. Now that the Angular CLI has been installed, you can verify that using ng-version, and you can see Angular CLI version 1.7.2. Now to create a new application, we will use the command ng-new and write the name of the application. So let's say online store. So as you can see, it creates some files. We'll get to that later, and it installing the packages needed for the Angular application. After npm finished installing the libraries, we can cd directly into the application, ls to see what files that it has. So it created a package.json, the installed node modules, and another files like the tslint and tsconfig. But we will focus on is the source directory. But before going deeper into the code, let's do npm start and see what's going to happen. So it says ng-serve, and it's building, and says open your browser on HTTP localhost. Take that, go to web browser. It will load for a little bit till the process of building finishes. Okay, so now I can see the demo template of a new Angular application, and in the next video we're going to play with the code. Stay tuned.